Alright, so we basically have the RFID cabinet. The RFID cabinet contains 8 antennas. The purpose of the antennas is to detect the RFID tags. The initial step in the process is that the supplier performs an enrollment action. What does enrollment mean? He takes a unique RFID tag, attaches it to the product, and essentially links the product to the tag number. All of this takes place on the IDENTI platform, a web-based platform, where all the data is stored, including the enrollment stage, or it can be done through interfaces. After this stage, the supplier takes all his items out of the logistics center, items that are already linked to RFID tags, and places them in the cabinet located inside the hospital. From this stage, there are interfaces with the hospitals that enter the items into inventory, whether it's a purchase or, for example, in consignment cases where hospitals also want to add these items to their inventory. In this case, the supplier can also look at the IDENTI platform and see all the items he has in stock at the hospital. He actually has 100% transparency regarding the inventory, can manage expiration dates, transfer items between hospitals, batches, all the information about the item, including everything, is inside the tag. In other words, the management is completely unambiguous, including delivery notes and closing the loop. Closing the loop with the tag is done in the hospital system, which is carried out either by the Snap and Go system that we have in all hospitals across Israel at every endpoint, or by a desktop RFID reader connected to the hospital's ERP system, where you can report the items to the patient's file. When this is reported to the patient's file, there is an interface that operates between the hospital and the IDENTI system. What reaches the IDENTI system is visible to the supplier, who can see exactly to which patient number the item was reported, all the item details, and can close the loop and complete the process for the hospital. Identification and operation of the cabinet are performed using a card. Each employee has a card, and only with a card can the cabinet be opened. The purpose of the cabinet is essentially to store and remain locked 100% of the time, as determined by the hospital. I identified myself with my username, so it is known exactly who opened the cabinet and when. After that, I open the cabinet. Of course, you can see the design of the cabinet. It has many configurations and complete modularity. In other words, whenever you want to change the configuration inside the cabinet, it is entirely possible. There are items for access that actually come out. There are shelves, and there are drawers that also pull out. At this stage, many hospitals work with their own complex bins made of plastic, and they can actually take the entire bin into the operating room and return it afterward. The cabinet performs a scan once an hour or whenever the cabinet itself is opened, and there is 100% transparency of the inventory both for the hospital and for the suppliers. You can place the items in the cabinet however you want. The cabinet reads them, no matter what. Basically, it transmits. The RFID tags emit short-range signals into the cabinet, which is able to receive all the information about them, no matter what position the items are in or how densely they are packed. In addition, the cabinet meets all the Ministry of Health standards and is found in all the major and minor hospitals in the country. In terms of sterilization, the cabinet is also approved to be placed inside the room, inside an operating or procedure room, as well as outside, and almost all departments are intended to work with such a cabinet. This is a cabinet designed for consignment and purchased items. The cabinet does not require any special requirements in terms of connecting it to the hospital. There is no integration with the hospital's computer system at all. It only requires a power outlet, and that's it. If, by chance, the hospital or the room is located in a place with no reception, the cabinet can, of course, be connected to the network. However, in most hospitals in Israel, we usually work with a SIM card, which is strong enough to receive the cellular data from the cabinet and transmit it both to the hospital clients and to the suppliers. IDENTI as a company generally offers a variety of solutions that are present in all hospitals in Israel. IDENTI's solutions are designed to provide transparency for inventory and smart inventory management and technological advancement in hospitals. All IDENTI products are manufactured here in Israel, in Netanya, including the electronics and the software. As you can see, all the systems were built here in Israel at IDENTI's offices.